Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you back here to this session. This is Samuel Gun, and we are here in Trade Africa. Traders, today is Monday evening. We are approaching now 7 p.m. Eastern Time, ladies and gentlemen. We're moving forward, you know, with our training. We call it like that, the entertainment training, So we're learning here how to trade. We're not making money. We're learning how to trade. That is why we recommend you guys to use a demo account, or platform account with a small, or if you want to use a real money, just a tiny account, ladies and gentlemen, because we're going to have losses along the way when we're learning how to trade. So do yourself a favor. Don't use the real money. Trade with a demo account in order to trade along with us, to learn how to trade. So that is what we're doing here. So we're approaching now 7 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, I need to welcome those in French. Mesdames et messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Gon et aujourd'hui c'est lundi soir, deuxième jour de la semaine. Voilà, pour nous ici. Donc, la fin de notre semaine commence dimanche. Alors, nous allons continuer avec ce que nous avons commencé. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer à apprendre à trade. Ce que nous faisons ici. Nous ne faisons pas l'argent. Alors, prenez vos places et tous ensemble, nous allons le faire. Je vais arrêter le message. Nous avons déjà commencé. Sorry about that. We already we started. I need to turn off our message scrolling, message here. So let's start watching our. We see now that we break out yesterday evening. We thought we were coming down. We didn't come down. Now we keep going up. We have now today a small red candle on Australia Japanese. Let me see the other guys here. You see we have a bullish engulfing candle on US Japanese here and also on GBP. But here on Canadian, here we have also bullish engulfing candle. Everywhere we have bullish engulfing candle. So this evening, we may pull back. It's possible. We may have a pullback here, ladies and gentlemen. So I will watch my trade on the downside this evening because people have to take profit, So, je suis en train de dire que nos trades, nous voyons une très grande bougie verte. Alors, je vais regarder mes trades ce soir au retour. Voilà, sur la descente. C'est probable. That is our 4 hours, ladies and gentlemen. You can see our 4 hours. Designing now for the probably we're going to have a downtrend here, as you can see. So, but we need to keep our eyes on the uptrend as well. We might see a break depending on the news. We may have some kind of news also because the market is moving by some kind of news, So news moves the market. We need to be careful. Yesterday there were news because the tariff was paused. That is why you see this move upside. We don't know what we may have today, ladies and gentlemen. So we are approaching now 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to go to our 5-minute candle, but we saw that we can watch our trade on the downside. It's possible. Also the upside, we might have a break. Here we have news. So we need to see our market in the both sides, but particularly on the downside. We need to be careful. So let's see. Let's see here, trader. Let's wait and see. Already 7 p.m. here, Eastern time. Let's see. Yesterday we had some kind of weekly recap, traders, and we saw it yesterday. We saw that we're moving in the good direction. It's not bad what we're doing here. So yesterday evening, we have a first day of the week. It was Sunday, because our week starts Sunday. And the market was very, very difficult yesterday. I made some mistake and good decisions as well. But at the end, I can call it break even though I turned green a little bit, but it was nothing major. Today we are going to follow our market and see. Trader, I'm trying to watch our market on the downside today, this evening, but we may have move up. Some kind of pullback here. Let's see. Let's watch our market. last trade we took yesterday taught us something very, very special, that we need patience, you know, because that trade at 10 p.m., which we used to stop trading, at 10 p.m. the trade did not move. I was there, I was waiting, I was already on the trade maybe more than 30 minutes. I trade, you know, I was expecting the trade to move down, but it didn't. I had to pass 10, you know, a couple of minutes before the trade moved down. So, and I had just to get few small, you know, on that trade, which was great. I can't call it small because it was a good move. I was very well down, but after that trade, I paid back my debts and more. So it was the good things. Let's see, today is Monday, second day. Need to be careful. Gotta wait our trade to go up, and then we'll take a short on it. Let's see. We'll have an upside, and then see we'll have a break. If you're new to our channel, gotta consider subscribing, like our video. Great, have a nice move upside. Want to see now move coming and rejecting. Let's see. We're Japanese. Let's wait and see. The trader move up. Canadian approaching the resistance. moving. Moving up. Trader, I'm now approaching the way where I can figure out for the short. So you need to wait and see. I'm tempted to take a short on Canadian, also on Euro Japanese. I don't know if we're going to move a little bit again up. But I can take this one here, the first one, and this one as well. And I place my stop above in case it breaks. I will take a small loss here. So I want also to go short on this guy. This one is that we gotta have a big stop here. Really? That is what I didn't want, because the stock there is far away. So I want to see UL Japanese. If I can go to UL Japanese as well, and I place my stop here above here. In case UL Japanese doesn't work, I can hold on with those one. Let me see also China here. China already, maybe China can wait for China. So let's see if we're going to have a continuation. Just hold on with those three. That is for the resistance. So let's see what we're going to have here. So let's keep watching. Keep watching. First trade or trade. Let's see if we get a Keep going down. If we won't have any rejection from the low, see a pullback. Moving up. Place this one as well. Place my stop here. This one as well is my stop above here. So within it, took a short. short here, ladies and gentlemen. I have my stop on the system. That is my money management. Want to see our trade coming below the 20. We have 6 trades here. Australia Japanese, China Japanese, US Japanese, Euro Japanese, Canadian Japanese, and GBP Japanese. That's the 3 we have here. 6 for short. If we get squeezed, here we jump out. It's possible to get squeezed because of what we saw during the day. Uptrend, big uptrend. Let's see what we're going to have now. Chers traders ici dans C-Trade, comme je disais, on va voir ce que le marché fera ce soir. Si le marché continuera vers le haut, on va voir. Ou bien le marché va replier, je ne sais pas. Donc, moi j'ai pris le short, le centre. Donc on va voir. Australia gotta go right to the stop, the resistance. we will not going to have the same squeeze like yesterday. Yesterday evening, I had a big squeeze. Hopefully, we'll not have it today again. Most of our 4 hours we are under resistance. So, but China is good for long, but I'm not sure. I don't know if it's going to come down. Let's see, want to break, even possible breaking the 50, start breaking the 20, and then the 50. Trader, we are here 6 trade for sure, ladies and gentlemen. On est dans 6 trades sur la descente. Hopefully we'll see continuation down. We see Euro Japanese is on the technical analysis 50 and 150. That is a solid one. I'm not sure if we're going to break there because we may go up before we come down, because that is a solid one. We have 20, 150 and 50. The solid one. It's hard to break. We saw a rejection, trader, right away. That is what I was saying. But if you go below it, it will be fine. Moving up with the speed. If I get stopped out, especially on Australian Japanese, I may re-enter later. So watching Australian Japanese. I don't know if Australian Japanese going to break here. Or break and reject. See a move up. So Japanese is trying to break. If we break, I will be out of the trade then. So Japanese breaking. Want to see a rejection. So I'm out of the Japanese. Want to see a pullback there, trader? Want to see red coming back down, but if it happens that Australia Japanese pick me out, I may re-enter the trade later. Euro. I don't give too much stop. It's just on GBP that the stop is a little bit huge. pullback. Australia Japanese, maybe. We never know where the trade going to pull back. We never know. We just need to do what we have to do and leave the rest. That is what we're doing here. Enter the trade. This is your stop. Let the rest run. Let's see. Look like we're trying to come down. I don't know if it's just a retracement or continuation. Hopefully that the pullback, that is not a retracement, because we don't want retracement, we just need a pullback. Want to see a pullback breaking 20. Watching. Nice pullback. Nice move here. Want to see that one coming. Okay, we're now above below our 20, which is great. Need to see a continuation down. Want to see a continuation down. Nice. Want to see our trade breaking, coming below. Gotta be patient. Maybe we might see another rejection there, pull back, because it's not easy to break below. Nice. Want to keep coming down. Trigger. We have a good move here. We don't want to see a rejection. So let's see. China key rejected. I said that China was good for long. I don't know what they're gonna do. Let me see. Let's see if we're gonna have another push. I'm going to take this small profit. It's earlier. Trader is earlier. Take this small one. See earlier here. Gotta wait and see. So that small profit. It wasn't bad. You might see another pullback there. You know that Australia may still come down. So let's see. So coming down. The reason I went out was that we already reached some part the resistance. I mean the support. That is the reason why I decided to go out. For example, here on GBP, that we have one support here. So I want to see breaking. Trader. And we have another one here. So I have another one here as well. If it breaks there, now I may re-enter the trade. Okay. I need to wait. already out of all my trade. I'm waiting to see, search for another opportunity trader. Je suis sorti en tout mes trades avec un petit profit. C'était pas tellement beaucoup, donc mais ça va. C'était un bon trade. It was a good trade, even though it wasn't a big profit, but it was a decent one. It's not bad. A decent profit is better than nothing. Moving up again on China. Maybe just a retest for a continuation down. It's possible. Watching here the breakdown, continuation breakdown. Keep moving down. Want to see Canadian coming below the 50. Also, US Japanese below, coming below. All our trade now are coming below. That was what we were expecting. Trader at this point, it's hard to know exactly where they're going to start. It's a good trade. I'm just scaring to see a rejection. Gotta wait and see, because we may have a rejection here. Continuation up. So I need to wait a little bit and see if we're gonna hold. Gotta wait and see. That is the drop I was expecting, but I didn't get it earlier. I went out earlier. So I want to see if I can have a pullback. So a good trade, good drop, but I need to be careful. It's not because I saw a drop that I have to follow it. US Japanese doing great. So many opportunities in the market. So many opportunities are here in the market. So we need to be careful. Okay. So coming down. Want to wait for the pullback. I mean, this drop, traders. Trying to see a quick long here. Trader. Want to see a quick long trader here. Let's see if we're going to have a quick long trade. So let's see. Keep going down. So look like we're not going to get it. Thought we could have a quick long trade here. If we don't get it, I'm going to get out of the trader. If we don't get a quick long, I will take my trade for the short. Yeah. US Japanese also. Wanna see if I can get a quick long trade. Watching. If you can have a quick long trade, I won't stay for long. Just a little bit, a retest. because this might keep going down. Let's see. Want to see outside? Nice. I'm gonna take this one, trader, because those trades are on the downtrend. So I don't want to overstay my welcome. Just took a little bit. I don't know where they might reverse. So they're moving up. I was on Australia Japanese. I'm out of Australia Japanese. So let me see now. That is the reversal we took. Was not bad. So let's wait. See our trade keep going up. So I'm waiting to see another entry. We're approaching now 8. If you are new to our channel, you must consider subscribing, traders. So We're heading down. So Japanese trying to break here. Moving down, great. We now it's 8. Now, traders, we see a flush. Nice. Nice, we're coming down. Il est 20h ici. Coming down. Trying to see. Gotta be patient. See a rejection here. Okay, I'm taking a long position. Further, another long position here. Took another long position. I place my stop below here. If you flush, I will be out of the trade. Flush. So let's see. Can turn green here. Rejection, turn green. Nice. Want to see pull back, turning green. Coming back down. Keep coming down. Further. Want to see a pullback. Approaching my stop. Approaching my stop. Gotta be out of the trade soon. China is doing great, but other guys try to keep me out. Maybe my entry wasn't quite good. China is doing great. Want to see the other trade also turning green. Come close to my stop. Nice. China. Other guy, none of them have them turned green, just Euro Japanese. Want to see the other guy turning green. Let's see. out of Canadian, Japanese. Maybe you were Japanese as well. I've got to be out of my trade here, trader, because it looked like the trade start coming down. I give back a little bit profit. Gotta wait now. You see. I need to go short on Australian Japanese here, on the US Japanese as well, trader. I'm going short on US Japanese and also on Canadian Japanese. I'm going short on my trade. Don't want to be stubborn like the other day. So I said at the beginning that I gotta look at my trade on the short. So I need to look at my trade on the short position. Place my stop above. China as well. I'm going short on it. So let me see. Try to wait for the bounce, but I didn't get it. Let's see. We're pulling back from the low. I don't know if you're gonna get it, trader. Expecting a downtrend. Want to see our trade coming to the new low. Not sure we're gonna get it, but we have our stop there. I'm babysitting my trade here. I need to see the new lower. Break down, new continuation, new low. Sorry, Japanese as well. You're gonna see our trade coming down for the new low. Want to see our trade down. We don't want to see a rejection. So a rejection. Is a buyer there? Hopefully that seller is going to take over. Well, Japanese, Australia Japanese is good. Trying to come down also with China. Want to see a complete break. New low. China is pulling back. On attend toujours ici, on regarde notre trade. Même si on perd ici, que ça rentre, on n'aurait pas démérité. Là, on a vu comment notre trade veut aller vers le bas, mais ça rejette. On n'aurait pas démérité. So, let's keep holding, trader. We want it to complete breakdown. That is what we want to see. Want to see China coming to the new lower, coming breaking. We have a big consolidation here. We're Japanese trying to move up. Canadian as well. Hopefully we'll have a pullback. Pulling back. Sometimes it's hard to determine the direction of the market. Sometimes you see like this, that it's going up, the green candle, and now I reject, or it's going back, going down with the red candle, you reject again, change the direction right away. So we just need to hold it and wait. That's it. Keep holding. Approaching 8:30, approaching. Australia look like they wanna keep coming down. That's what I said, that those stuff, sometimes you think that going this side, you change direction, going here. As you see now, it's trying to come down now. He might reject again. So keep changing direction any second until it will take one side and move fast. Let's watch. Want to see Australia coming down properly. Now rejecting again. Now it may help the other trade to follow. But if you see a rejection, also allow the other guy to reject. Trying to come down a little bit. Maybe. Hopefully we won't see a rejection again. Like those guys, when they try taking one side, they might reject anytime. You gotta expect it. That is what I was saying. Because rejection for them is common. Australia probably break. The other guy don't break. Australia a lot. It's going down. So let's see. Nice. Oh, we'll see continuation down, all of them. Want to see them coming down. Clear. Want to see the continue. We don't want to see the pullback. Now we see experience now a pullback. Want to see a continuation, a break. Nice, nice break. Want to see continuation down. Clear. Don't want to see break, a rejection. Nice. Nice. Want to see a continuation. Want to see Australia coming there. My stop. Nice. Reject. Right away. It's not something you want to see. Not something you want to see. This is not good. This is not good, traders. Not good to see. You hold it. Okay, I'm taking this one. Look like it's hard. I didn't take the profit it gave me, but just a little bit. See a rejection. I don't know what's going to happen. If it continue down, I will re-enter the trade. So breakdown and continue and rejection. Keep coming down. It was hard to hold, man. It's too hard. Australia already on the support. Trader. Japanese. If I see a green candle there, I will go long. I saw it on my other monitor. So all those trades are all the 4 hours, they are red. So let me see here on minutes here. Let's see what it's doing. Support here on 15 minutes. Okay, Australia broke. Keep coming down. Australia broke there. Keep coming down. I was good, but I couldn't hold it. That was a problem. On the downtrend. Be back further. I don't know if this is a retest or a pullback. This already break here. It might be just a retest for the continuation. This is where I was supposed to get out, trader, with a good profit, but I couldn't hold it. I don't know, maybe this is just a retest. Let's see. For the continuation. Always happen when I'm no longer on the trade. I'm going down, trader. I will see if it works. I want to hold just those three at this time. Don't want to take too much because I don't know. Don't know. Going up. They go up. I may decide to, very hard to see the direction of the trade. Am I doing what I'm doing now? You see that maybe pull back again. That is why I prefer to take just those small trade and see. Can continue down. Continue down. I will take the other one. I'm going here. This one that time. Let me see. Hope that it won't reject here. Let me see a continuation. See a continuation down. I don't place my stuff here. It's not good. Gotta place my stuff here because of my money management. Nice. So let's see. Want to see a continuation down, trader? Want to see Australia? China is doing great. Even though the other guy don't want to break. Got in the downtrend here. The Japanese have a big gap. So you have a gap to go down. Moving up, trader. On est là, on observe, on pray. On see a new loan. Kind of downtrend. We see holding here for a short trader. See a rejection. Want to see a complete break. In Australia, Japanese. It's not good, trader. It's not good. Don't want to see a rejection. So Japanese is good for a break. Nice. Take here. Take this guy here. Took that profit there, trader. It's not easy to hold on the winning trade, Not easy. We're going to continue down. But I took that profit. I want to let him go for the beautiful trade again. You might see a downtrend like this. You say, man, damn, I could make a lot of money here. But it's not easy to catch it, man. Not easy, you know. See how the trade keep coming down, but not easy to catch that drop. It's not easy. China already on the support. Canadian still have a gap to go. GBP also have it. Where Japanese have a lot of gaps to close to keep going down. So see that our trade, I just take small and I'm out. You know, because it's not easy. So soon gotta be on the support. So I catch a little bit what I could have catch on the drop. You will never finish money in the market. When you see a long drop like this one, what you gotta do is just take one small candle from here to here, trader. When you already designed like this, you say, oh man, I don't know how somebody could lose money here. People are losing, that is why you make it. Because if people don't lose money, you won't make money. You need people to lose it. It means what? It means that people, even up to here, people have to be wrong. That is why you buy from them or you sell from them, because this is a sell. So you have to sell to people who think that the market is going to go up. Those are the people you're selling. So when you sell to them, they buy it because they hold it expecting that the market will go up. But you now make money because market keep going down. That is how we have to see. Because there are still people who believe that market is going up. So that is, unfortunately, that is how it works. So you don't need to catch all the drop, man. You don't have to. Don't kill yourself. Don't say, why did I not place here and come and cover here? You know, it's hard to do that. But just when you see something, you just take a small share on it. Maybe just small candle, one candle out of those plenty candle, you know. If I can say it. When I was analyzing the trade at the opening, I was saying that we're going to watch our market on the downside today. That is what I was saying. And now we see that it's happening. So you need to be careful to not giving all our profit again. Got to see China here. China already on support. See here, already on support here. So we need to be careful with this trade. So we need to be careful with that trade. You may see now a pullback. Let's see your Japanese here. The Japanese also already here on the 4 hours somewhere, so we need to be careful as well. Already on the support. If we see two candles going up, we may jump on it. Let me see this one, this guy. This one is still open. You don't see any major stuff there. So let's wait and see. We gotta keep going down. Let me check the GBP. GBP broke here. So here as well on the support. Need to be careful. Want to see first candle and the second candle to make a new high. If you're new to our channel, you can consider subscribing. Trader, we're here to learn how to trade. Here every day. Want to see a consolidation here. Want to see a rejection and consolidation. Gotta go sideways. Okay, now here we have a second candle. Need to see if I can go long here, traders. Gotta wait and see. I'm going long here. If it doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade, trader. I just place my stop close. If it doesn't work, I just go out, just go out of the trade without hesitation. Trader, I want to take you a Japanese as well. If it doesn't work, get out of the trade quickly as possible. Let's see. Those four are enough for me at this time. Don't work. So let's see. It's hard to take the bottom, trader. That is something also we shouldn't forget. Very difficult to take the bottom of the trade. Let's see. We're going to have a pullback. I don't know Australia. Nice move of China. First guy to move. I don't know if those other guy can move. Let's see. China is doing great. Don't want to enter a lot of trade because if I lose it, I'm going to give back all my profit. It's not something I want to do. Watching. Nice move. It's better to take a few trades in case it reverses. I will not be in danger. That is what I'm thinking. Because everything is possible here. You shouldn't just see again, you gotta also see, talk about your money management, maybe what you might give back to the market, you know. So watching. Watching trader, pull back. This market is on the downtrend, so I don't want to hold too much. Nice move. Want to see a third candle to make a new high. Nice move, trader. Nice move. Keep coming down, I will get out of the trade. I'm watching, trader. I'm taking this one. Taking this small profit. I said I don't want to stay for long because this is a downtrend. Great. I don't know what it may do here. This is downtrend. You can see how it did here. It went down. So we may have the same thing here. And just be a retest. To have to take a, the strength going down. So I'm out of the trade. That was a pullback, micro pullback. On the downtrend. That wasn't bad. Look like we're coming to retest the bottom. It might just be a retest, trader, not a continuation down. Because I expect it to come here and retest here and do the consolidation here and now go up. Australia is going up now. I expect you were Japanese turnover. Gotta watch you were Japanese again very well. Coming down. So stop. Horizontal the support, I mean. Okay. See what's gonna happen there. Maybe we're gonna have a breakdown and come back here. So we have another support there. It's possible that it comes to the second support. Breaking now. But I say that we are on the downtrend. We need to be careful. Holding long when the trade is going up. Holding for long, I mean. Need to see a rejection there in consolidation. For Japanese break. See rejection on China. Let me also double check China here. And China here on the support, which is great. So let's see. The Japanese coming down. I want to go long on China here, trader. Just one. Taking long on China, trader. And I place my stop here below, just one trade. But this time, just go with one trade. Because I don't want to lose my small profit, trader. J'ai pris un seul trade sur le long. Pas perdre mon petit profit que j'ai déjà fait. Si je fais un, ce serait bon. Pas de perdre plusieurs à la fois. Ouais, japonais, très bien. Observe, you see the Hang Seng trade to the long, China, Japanese. Money management. Just taking one at a time now. We're watching here. Just took one trade. Test the water. Just testing my food to the water. The Japanese now bounce back. I'll see. Gotta try very Japanese on the third candle. Make new high here. If a break here, we'll try your Japanese. Nice. Move with China. The guy also is here. This one here. Here. So I can scale down a little bit here. Is that I decide to go full, scale down. Because I don't want to risk again what I made. Trader, that is my point. Gotta know how to, preserving your gain. The main money, you need to be careful with that money. Don't give that money to back the market now. So I want to see if I break here. Going up here. Break here, everywhere here, I scale down. I may go long, but with a small quantity. Nice, US Japanese. I went up. I'm going with those guys and see if I can continue up. I just took small quantity. Took a small quantity. Trader. Gotta place my stop. I'm not giving him too much. If you pull back here, I'm out of the trade, just one candle. I'm not giving much. It doesn't work the way I want. Start pulling back a lot. I gotta get out of the trade. So let's see. Continuation up. Australia Japanese as well. So let's see. So Japanese goes to I'm going to Australia Japanese here. Place my stop below here. Further. Let's see. On a break. Nice move. Want to see our trade above the 20. Sorry, watching. I want to see a pullback. Nice move here. Want to see a continuation up. See a big pullback, rejection. I'm getting out here, reader. Yep, I went out there. We're moving up. That's fine. Because this is a big downtrend. So we are already on the 20. So I need to be careful. I see a rejection, big rejection there. So here we can say that today wasn't too bad. Trader was a little bit patient than yesterday. So with payoff. So it's good. What we can take away from trade of today is that we need to exercise more patience. need to be patient. Patience pay, because when you start, let's say the section open like at 7 p.m. Eastern time. When you start, we have to exercise patience to see the direction of the market, and also when the market is moving, we need to wait and see proper direction before going in. But here we still have problem is to run our trade. We still have that problem. We saw the downtrend, but I didn't catch it much. I just took a little bit on those downtrend, but it happens, trader. That is why we have to keep fighting to learn how to hold on the trade. It doesn't come overnight. That is why we have to understand it doesn't come overnight. It comes with a lot of experience, and those are the experience we're looking for here. We're looking at those experience. So we're still working on it, trader, as the time goes, so that we can improve every day and become also better like other people. Other profitable traders. Donc je disais que aujourd'hui a aussi été bien, malgré quelques difficultés, comme apprendre à arrêter notre trade. Ça veut dire que lorsque nous sommes dans un trade qui gagne, nous manifestons plus de patience. Voilà. Je ne sais pas comment dire, exercer la patience ou bien. Voilà. Nous cultivons plus de patience afin que nous puissions attendre le plus possible pour gagner le trade. Ça vient avec le temps. C'est pas facile. Donc, nous avons été un peu plus patients aujourd'hui qu'hier, néanmoins, et ça a payé, c'est bien. Donc, nous devons profiter là-dessus, apprendre de nos erreurs. Petit à petit, nous y arriverons. Voilà. Donc, nous approchons déjà 10 heures. Donc, c'est bien pour la journée d'aujourd'hui. Hier a été aussi pas très mal, pas mal, je vous l'ai dit. Ça a été un vert, même si le vert n'était pas beaucoup. Mais c'était bien. Aujourd'hui, nous continuons toujours au vert, c'est bien. So, we keep moving slowly, but in the right direction. That is what we need here. We need confidence. And the confidence will come slowly as we build in it by having winning trade, no matter the amount. The amount is not important, but when we have winning days and we don't make a lot of mistakes, those are what we need here, trader. We are learning how to trade, which is important every single day. So the process here, we're trying to improve the way we trade. The other time, if you remember last week, we have this kind of downtrend, but I was taking the opposite direction. Remember, I think it was on, if I have good memory, it was on Sunday, last Sunday. Yeah, last Sunday. Yeah, we have last Sunday. I can maybe even pull that here. This one here this time. This is the drop we had last Sunday, trader. This was it. This is the same the drop we had, and here I lost here. I was keep going long at this point. It was it was here at evening. So we have this, it came here, and we have this, and we keep going down, but I'll keep going long. So it means that it's not because you are, you have a drop that you can make money. You may see take the opposite, direction if you're not careful. So I was trying to pull this one. That was a trade I took on last Sunday. This is US Japanese, that trade. So there were a couple of trades I took that day, and there were losses. So I just wanted to show you guys that it's not because you see a drop that things may go well for you. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. We want to prepare now for tomorrow again. We'll come back here and do the same thing, and we'll just have to improve our process to make it more professional, and that will be good for us. So trader, on s'arrête à ce niveau, et demain nous serons ici encore faire la même chose à 19h temps de New York. Donc nous vous remercions beaucoup. Ceux qui regardent nos vidéos, nous vous remercions beaucoup parce que vous nous assistez, et quand on voit que vous nous regardez, on essaie de faire ce qui est bien. C'est la raison pour laquelle nous venons ici. So, I was saying that I want to thank those who watch our video, those who stop by, even for 1, 2, 3 minutes, 5, always those who are always with us here. We're very grateful. The reason we're coming here every day is because when you're trading by yourself, privately, you are tended to make a lot of mistakes, tempted to make a lot of mistakes because nobody watching. So you guys are like my, how can I say, my law enforcement, So when you watch me, when I'm trading, I know that people are watching me. I have to do what is good. So that is the reason why every day I'm going live. So tomorrow we're gonna be here at 7 p.m. Eastern time, and very grateful for today. So we'll see tomorrow again, traders. Have a wonderful evening, and goodbye. Au revoir.